Welcome back to another video. Today we're swatching the Genuine Crafts watercolor markers, and they also sent me their watercolor paper. The pad measures 8.3 inches by 11.7 inches. It is 140 pounds with 30 pages and it's acid free. The texture reminds me of recycled paper and it is very absorbent. This product was sent to me so I can show you how fun and versatile these markers are. This is the 100 watercolor pens with real brush tips. They come in a box with 4 plastic trays. And the markers are not organized by color, so if you are OCD like me, you can organize them while swatching them. But they don't have names or numbers, they just have the color at the bottom, so it can be kind of tricky when having such a huge selection of colors. So I've made 100 tiny squares to swatch these. I organized them by browns, red, oranges, and so on. The pen is a really nice size, just like a regular pen, and the tip is a very nice brush tip. You can achieve very thick and thin lines, which I really like. They also have a set of 20 and 50 markers, but I recommend you to buy the 100 colors ones because, guys, once you use them, you'll see that you don't even need water to make these look awesome. The colors are very saturated and they even have a couple of neon colors. Go ahead and click the link in the description box if you want to buy them. And here is the swatch. As you can see, they are all different, and this set has a great selection of colors. If you look closely, you can see that these already look like watercolors without adding water to them. Now in my next video, I will show you how to make a beautiful tropical flower painting with these markers. Head over to Gen Crafts website and social media. All the links will be in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.